Welcome to the series of preparation for Karnataka CET 2023. I am Gurudat Nadigar. Uh, Basically, I'm a teacher, coach, mentor for PU students who are preparing for various competitive exam. I basically teach mathematics and physics for both first PU and second PU, and um, a special kind of coaching, mentoring for all the competitive exams for the students. So, apart from that, my expertise lies in making students understand uh, the exam patterns, the concepts, the problem solving techniques, the shortcuts, the speed management, time management, and also how to be more self confident in facing the examinations and overcome the fear in the process of preparations, all of that. So, I am starting my first batch of Karnataka CET 2023 Physics and Mathematics from November 26th, that falls on Saturday of this year, that is November 26, 2022. The first batch is starting. Uh, Both the morning and evening batches will be available to the students. So the morning 6:30 to 8:30 and evening about 5 to 7:30. That kind of timeline I am preparing for the students. So I am basically from Davangere, and all my classes will be conducted in Davangere at a place called Rang Mahal, which is located on AVK College Road, which is just opposite to the new government bus stand and private bus stand, and opposite to the government uh, high school field, called as very prime location and very central location. Okay, so that's the thing.